This haircut is really getting on my nerves. But then you don't want to see it. But everyone is wearing this haircut. So for the 19,000th time, how do you get this haircut? You need to have layers. You need to have layers in the hair. And what are layers? Layers are a technique designed to remove weight. You see this? Look at this. This is what layers do to the hair. It creates fluffiness. It creates that freedom, that movement. If you don't have layers, you can't get this. So you can see the next thing is the length. Look how long this hair is. If your hair comes up to here, guess what? You aren't gonna have this haircut. But if you have hair that's long enough, that comes down to about right here past the eyes, and it's layered, and you know how to blow dry and style your hair and use the right products, then you can achieve this haircut. Go to someone who knows how to cut hair. Stop going to random people who charge $4 for a haircut and they have you in and out in 5 minutes. You need to go to someone who knows what they're doing. And when you want to style this, take your hand, yes, the palm of your hand, rake the hair back like this, give it a swirl. And then look at the volume, look at the texture you have. Use my Locked XL hairspray. Give it a spray, fluff it up again, and there it is. The haircut that you all want here. If you want to purchase any of my products, use code YouTube20 at shop.TheSalonGuy.com.